Welcome everyone to TechX, and today we are going to be having our first video of this new channel, excluding the RC Life episodes 1 through 4. This is our first real episode for TechX, and today we're going to be talking about how you can use a external microphone, such as a Bluetooth microphone or a wired microphone. So we have a couple options here. We'll talk about in a second. How you use them with your iPhone cameras. For your iPhone camera audio. So say you want to use your AirPods for as your microphone when you're filming. How do you do that? We're going to be talking about that today. Just want to let you guys know ahead of time, you will not be needing to download any softwares today. Your phone does not have to be jailbroken. We're just going to need a microphone you want to use, either if you plug it into your phone or if it's a Bluetooth device that has a microphone, it has to have a microphone. Second, you want to make sure that your phone is compatible with using screen recording. So I'm pretty sure if you have a 6 or higher, I'm not sure about 5s or below, it should work for you. But we're doing this on iPhone, of course, as you guys are looking for. So let's get right into the video right now. Okay guys, so we're going to be looking at 3 different microphones that I'm going to be using today. So first of all, I'm going to be using the regular iPhone via Lightning port headphone jack earphones. We're going to be using that. I'm going to testing it out and showing you how that sounds. The second device I'll be using today will be my AirPods. This is the second generation AirPods. So I'll be using these as well for the microphone test. All right, and then the third set of items I'll be using today will be the MPOW H12s. These are a SNCS or ANCS, whatever, active noise canceling headphones by MPOW. I'll be trying these with the microphone as well. So we'll be using the lightning adapter earphones, the second generation AirPods, and then these bad boys right here, MPOW H12s. Well, let's get into it, guys. Hey guys, so here's my home screen, as you guys can see, and we're going to need to know how to do a screen recording in order to get this work. So open up your control center, either you swipe down or swipe up depending on the phone you have. You want to hold down on the screen recording button to get that to appear like this screen right here. Once you've done that, you're good to go. All you got to do is make sure you have that screen recording tab put into your control center. So what you want to do is you want to go to your settings, open that up. If you go down to your control center settings, there should be a capability of adding the screen recording button to the control center. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and open up your control center and press down and hold on the screen recording button. That'll open up this screen right here. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and on the right side it says you can turn on your microphone. Make sure you do turn that microphone on. Once you've done that, that'll make sure that your Bluetooth mic or wired mic will be all set up and ready to go. Once you've done both things, you're ready to go. So go ahead and start your screen recording. You will need to do screen recording in order for this to work. If not, it will not work at all. So go ahead and start your screen recording. Close out the control center area and go to your camera. Go to video and start the video. Once you've started the video, you can record as long as you please, as long as your microphone is connected, of course. When you're ready, you can go ahead and stop that video, of course, and then go home. And then you want to click on the red tab on the top of your screen and click on that. It should ask if you want to stop the screen recording. Hit stop. Once you've stopped, you can go to your camera, and the video you just recorded should be there. You can look at that, and hopefully, if you did it correctly, it will be showing you that that you used the external microphone from your camera to your headphones. So that should be it. After a few seconds, the screen recording will be saved to your photos. You won't be needing to keep that unless you choose to do so, but yeah, it's not necessary to keep that, guys. So let's test it out with the 3 sets I have. Okay guys, so you should be hearing the audio right now currently. This is the lightning adapter headset or earphones that I'm using with the iPhone. So if you should be able to hear me through this microphone instead of the internal microphone, if I did it right. So if you guys can probably hear me whispering like this, you wouldn't be able to do that. You wouldn't be able to. So I just whispered in the mic. You shouldn't be able to hear that normally with the internal microphone in the camera. So hopefully This should be working. This is the lightning adapted earphones, which you can't use. So let's go on and try out the AirPods. Okay guys, so this is the AirPods. As you guys can see, I'm wearing one AirPod instead of two. So hopefully you should be able to hear the audio coming out of the AirPods. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually set this camera down for just a second, and then I'm going to go into the other room, and you should be able to hear the audio just as clear from the other room. So let me do that real quickly. So as you guys can see, I'm going to go over here in my closet and actually shut the door, so you should still be able to hear me perfectly. So as you can hear, I'm in the closet right now. I'm talking the same tone, same normal voice with the one AirPod. In fact, if I tap it, you should be able to hear the tapping on the AirPod right there. So I'm going to come out. So hopefully that worked there. Pick that back up here. And so hopefully that is the AirPod. We're going to move on to the headphones right now. Alright guys, so last but not least, we have the MPOW H12 headphones. So hopefully the audio is coming through them right now, as you guys can see. So this is the third and final test. This is the MPOW H12. So yeah, I've been using two Bluetooth sets of headphones and the wired lightning set. So yes, this is completing. So you can use any set of earphone or headphone as long as it has a mic, of course. So yes guys, let's go ahead and head on to the outro. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and that was all for today. We are testing out 3 different devices. I'll be leaving links for the AirPods and the MPOW H12s in the description below. Both of those should be sending you guys to Amazon.com, or if you have the app, it'll be sending you to the app, of course. So yeah, we use these Bluetooth headphones. We use these wired ones I'm using right now as a microphone, and of course we use the AirPods right here as well. So you guys can use any device you want, as long as it does have a microphone, and you make sure that microphone is on. Make sure you follow all the steps that we went through today, and everything should work just right for you guys. So I hope you did enjoy today's video. If it did work for you, you're welcome to click that like button and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And as like I said guys, this is our first video, so we're just getting started about what we're doing and stuff. But coming up really soon, I'm going to be reviewing the brand new, well, they're not brand new, but they came out a little while ago, but I'm going to be comparing and reviewing the AirPods Pro compared to the regular AirPods here. So that'll be the second video for TechX. And then, like I said, since TechX is a bit of a variable, we're also going to be having some gaming videos and some other stuff like that. Just reviewing a bunch of different stuff, RC stuff, electronic stuff. So it's going to be a lot of fun, guys. So stick around, and like I said, if you hit that subscribe button, you're welcome to click the notification bell, and you will be notified as soon as a new video is posted. I will be trying to post a video once a week. It may be once every other week, but we'll see how it goes, guys. So yes, that's all for today. You guys stay safe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.